Now the 30th question is integral of sin x divided by 1 plus cos x times dx. If you observe, most probably when you substitute the denominator as t, the numerator should be the derivative of it. It is working because the derivative of cos x is going to be minus sin x. Hence, I need to take 1 plus cos x as t. This implies minus sin x into dx divided by dt is equal to 1. So, sin x into dx is how much? So, sin x into dx is equal to, minus will go to the other side, dt will also go to the other side, it is minus dt. So, sin x dx can be written as minus dt, the whole divided by 1 plus cos x is t. So, you will have the final answer as minus of integral of dt by t. It is minus log of mod t plus t. So, this will be equal to negative of log of, what is the value of mod t? It is 1 plus cos x plus t. So, this will be the final answer, log of mod of 1 plus cos x plus t.